Make money online for free, guys. If you want to earn some free money, this is the video for you guys. I'm going to show you a website and couple of methods where you can use it to make money, guys. And this method work worldwide. You don't have to invest any money, you don't have to know any technical skill, and you don't have to learn anything, and you don't have to buy anything. Follow this method and you can make money every single day. First, what you have to do is you need to find a free ebook from this website called IDPLR or PLR website. You can find any ebook that you can find it: health and fitness, affiliate marketing, finance, dog training, whatever the topic that you are interested in. Find an ebook from this website. Again, guys, there's a link in the description. If you click and sign up, you can download 200 free PLR ebook, guys. But you are not going to sell anything, but you can use this ebook to make free money, guys. So you have to find an ebook that you are interested in. In this case, I'm going with this ebook called health and fitness. Under this is an ebook about home training, so you can train at home and lose weight. This is important because lots of people are staying at the home and they want to lose weight. So this book is good for. What you have to do is open this book, download that book. That's it. What you have to do, download it to your computer. Then what you have to do, you have to go to your website called Google Drive, where you're going to upload this PDF document on there. So what you have to do, click this one called new and click file upload, and you can go to your computer. This is the ebook that you are downloading here. Open that, and this is the book called here report, and this is the PDF book, guys. Open this book, and that's it, guys. Now I'm going to show you which website going to pay you money and how you can use other website to generate free organic traffic, guys. Before that, guys, if you like this kind of videos like make money online or saving money tutorial, this kind of videos, I try to upload one video every single day. So subscribe, like, and press the bell icon, guys. So you can see this PDF or the ebook is uploaded into Google Drive. Open that and you can make sure that ebook is available on here. Now what you have to do is click this one called three dot on here and click share button on that. After that, what you have to do, click this one, go here, change to anyone with the link, which mean anyone with this link can see and download this ebook, guys. So copy this link and you need to go to a website called oke.io. oke.io. This website is similar to the website, this one here. These are the website called link shortener website, gonna pay you money for every download. So you share a link, they will shorten the link, and you share the shortened version of the link and you get paid from that, guys. These are the 15 example of other website that's similar to this website, but this website is very important because, and I'm gonna show you why you need to promote links from this website. So watch it carefully. This website is entirely different from other link shortening website like this ones, guys. What you have to do, go to this website, create your free account with it. I already have the 3 different link is I'm promoting here. So paste your link on here and click shorten, and within second you will get your shortened link. So copy this one and refresh it and you can see your 4th link on here. Now what you have to do is you need to create a simple pin or image, guys. So I went to Canva and create this pin. It's about home training for losing weight free ebook. You have to mention that on your image. You need to show them that you are giving out free value, so you have to this make the people to click on that pin, guys. So you create this pin on Canva or any photo editing software, guys. After that, what you have to do, you have to create a simple title, description, and the hashtags, because the following website which I'm going to show you needed this information. Like you can get this information from the ebook that you are downloading, so you can see the basic title, description, and the hashtag, guys. Now what you have to do is go to Pinterest. Here you're gonna upload the pin. Remember this, Pinterest will block unauthorized or spammy kind of a link, guys. So if you get the link, if you use any of this shortened website here other than ok.io, if you shorten the link, you can't, remember that, you can't share that on Pinterest, guys. They will block it. But the pin from ok.io, they are allowing that. So I'm going to show you a proof here. So what you have to do, click this one, create pin, and the pin you already downloaded from the Canva, upload that pin on here, guys. Click this one, create pin, upload your pin from here, or you already downloaded, upload it on here, and you're gonna put your title, description and hashtag. Copy and paste it on here. Put the title again on here. Now on the destination link, what you have to do, you have to put the shortened link on here. What you have to do, click that and put that here, and you're gonna create a health and fitness board. If you have one, you can select it already. If you don't, you have to create a new board and click publish, and this pin, it will be published in the Pinterest account, guys. Now you have to keep publishing pin like this one to generate traffic. So when the people click and see this pin, they will click it and it will take into this page. They have to select the image and select I am not robot, and it will take it to the page where they can download that ebook and you get paid for that, guys. So this is number one traffic source. The second one is Tumblr. Again, you have to do the same thing like what you did for Pinterest. Click this one called photo, click upload image. You have to select the things that you already downloaded into your computer. It's the same pin, or put it on here. Now what you do, go back to your title, description and hashtag, copy this. Here you put it on here. Now what you do, go to your link short on the website, get your link, and what you do, put here like free ebook, highlight it, click this link button, insert it and post it like that, guys. The third traffic source is YouTube. You can go there and create a content. If you don't want to create a content, don't worry, find a relevant video on your ebook. These are the videos on health and fitness, losing weight. Open these videos, for example. Then what you do, go to watch the video a couple of seconds or couple of minutes, and go to comment section, give a valuable comments on here. You can put the shortened link on here, guys. Again, the final source is go to forum on health and fitness, losing weight, and you can join as many as you can, and you give it a good comment, or you can give them a tips. Then you can say, again guys, you can learn everything from free ebook. That you need to promote this ebook and share this shortened link, so when people click this link, watch the advertisement, download that ebook, you get paid for that, guys. Again, I'm going to show you how much money these people are making from this website. You can see there's a different payout rate. These are the payout rate for 1000 views, and you can see here people are making, if you are living in these countries, you can make up to $4 to $5 for 1000 views. If you're running a YouTube channels that say in gaming niche or health and fitness niche, you can make around $2 to $3 every 1000 views, but these websites are going to pay you $4 to $5 for 1000 views, guys. Not downloads, here is views. Remember that people don't have to download anything. They just click on the link that you are sharing, and they would click the ad and click I'm not robot, and it will take it to the page. They can download that, but for that view you get paid for that, guys. So what you have to do, use this website to get paid, but by sharing valuable content like this one, giving out this free ebook for those people, guys. Again, this link won't work with Facebook pages and group because Facebook blocked that, but you can message them and personally, guys, or you can create Instagram account and post health and fitness related content, and you can promote it on your bio section, or you can do the same thing with TikTok, guys. There's a lots of way that you can promote it, and you can get, if you're able to bring say 1000 people every single day, you can make $5 easily every single day, guys. I hope, guys, you understand this video. Try it out, let me know in the comment section is working or not. Again, guys, if you want me to cover a certain topic, leave me that in the comment section. I will do that for you, guys. Until then, have a good day. See you next video, guys.